Hello students, in the previous class we learned about how to solve an exact differential equation. Now in this video we are discussing the conversion of non-exact differential equation to exact differential equation using integrating factor. So what is the integrating factor? Consider the differential equation m x y dx plus n xy dy equals to 0. If the equation is not exact, then del m del y not equals to del n del x. Suppose there exists a function mu of xy such that when we multiply the differential equation by mu of xy, that equation becomes exact, then this mu of xy is called the integrating factor of the equation. In other words, an integrating factor is a multiplying factor by which the equation can be made exact. Now consider the equation tan y dx plus tan x dy equals to 0. Here m equals to tan y and n equals to tan x. Now we check the condition of exactness. Del m del y equals to sec square y. Del n del x equals to sec square x. So these are not equal. Del m del y not equals to del n del x. So this equation, this given equation tan y dx plus tan x dy equals to 0 is not an exact equation. But if we multiply this equation by cos x cos y, then the equation becomes cos x cos y tan y dx plus tan x into cos x cos y dy equals to 0. We all know tan y equals to sin y by cos y. Then cos y will be cancelled. We get sin y cos x dx plus this again sin x by cos x. Then cos x will be cancelled. Sin x cos y dy equals to 0, which can be written as d of sin x sin y equals to 0. So the primitive is sin x sin y equals to c. Now we discuss the rules of finding integrating factors of non-exact differential equation. There are 5 rules. Rule number 1. If 1 by n del m del y minus del n del x is a function of x alone, say f of x, means 1 by n del m del y minus del n del x equals to f of x, then e to the power integration f of x dx is an integrating factor of m dx plus n dy equals to 0. Next rule, if 1 by m into del m del y minus del n del x is a function of y alone, say phi of y, then integrate e to the power minus integration phi of y dy is the integrating factor of m dx plus n dy equals to 0. Rule number 3, if m dx plus n dy equals to 0 is a homogeneous not exact equation and mx plus ny not equals to 0, then integrating factor will be 1 by mx plus ny. Rule number 4, if the differential equation m dx plus n dy equals to 0 is of the form y into f of xy dx plus x into g of xy dy equals to 0 and mx minus ny not equals to 0, then integrating factor will be 1 by mx minus ny. Here mx plus ny, here mx minus ny. Last rule, rule number 5, if m dx plus n dy is expressible in the form of x to the power a y to the power b into my dx plus nx dy plus x to the power c y to the power d into py dx plus qx dy equals to 0, where this a, b, c, d, m, n, p, q are all are constants such that mq minus np not equals to 0. Then x to the power h into y to the power k will be the integrating factor of the equation for some suitable constant h and k. And this h and k, we have to determine this from the two equation. A plus h plus 1 by m equals to b plus k plus 1 by n, and c plus h plus 1 by p equals to d plus k plus 1 by q. From these two equation we have to find h and k. Then this h, we put these values here, and this will be the integrating factor x to the power h into y to the power k. So these are the 5 rules of finding integrating factor. So we have to verify the given differential equation and check which rule is appropriate for the equation. Then compute the corresponding integrating factor using the 5 rules, so that we can make the equation exact and hence solve the equation. So in this class we discuss about the rules of finding integrating factor. In next class we will consider some problems related to this topic. So that's it. Thank you.